glue gels. If you are first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Subscription Box, and we are going to using a needle ends, and I will keep the precision brush end right here just in case you need it. You have it right here just in case you need it larger or more amount of precision glue gels. You can close this lid and using just the bristle only. So we are going to seal on the frame. So I'm gonna seal the frame. The reason it is because you don't want to get all the frame and the bead to get tarnished. It's going to stay nice on the clients and all the nails for until whenever you are ready for the next set of the nails. So then it will not turn tarnished, and then plus it's will not going to catching on the hair and the clothes. So we're gonna do a really good exam, go around, check to make sure they are going to seal seals on this. Seals on the edges to make sure they are stay nice. Okay, and then just in case you need more, seal more. If it feels like scratchy any places, you need to reseal it again, reapply it again, you can definitely, but make sure you are going to flash here 30 seconds and then apply it again. And make sure this will are asking the clients to doing it till back and forth, so then that way it will last so much longer and it's clear through all the edges of the crystals.